All right, market opens in 3 minutes. I wanted to kind of chart everything. So we have our new week opening gap. Let's mark that out. It's going to be up here. I'm expecting an NWOG fill. Um, Definitely expecting an NWOG fill. We have more back here. I'm going to have to also chart out because I deleted everything because it was just getting too chaotic. But all right, let's see. We inverse this 4-hour. Kind of have my eyes lower, and on the 1-hour we're kind of coming up there, so I'd like to see us maybe soup this high and go lower towards these afterward. We are about to inverse this 30-minute, which is not the highest time frame on the leg, but it's pretty valid. Coming from discount. I'm gonna have ES. You guys won't be able to see ES, but it's over here, so just know that. The day we did inverse this bullish gap, so I could see us coming up higher. I could see us coming to here, although we took that internal high, so it's kind of going to be neutral directional bias for me. Conditional. About to inverse this. Maybe look for a 1-minute sweep lower and then go higher, but apart from that, it's just, I don't know, we have an order block here. A+ trades only, remember. So market just opened. We have our new week opening gap above. Well, market's about to open. Let's mark out midnight. Midnight would be down here, so we haven't touched midnight at all. So, well, it looks like we have dipped below midnight. Midnight open. Okay. Yep, we're going higher right off rip. What I said, and now we can look for our new week opening gap, or we can wait for shorts. Yeah, we just ripped to the new week opening gap, so took out buy side to the left. We can delete this, we don't need that. Took out buy side. I'd want to see us sweep into the gap a little more first, then potentially take this LR along with midnight down below. Yeah, I want to see us go lower, truthfully. Might take a stab at shorts here. Looks like we're gonna get a resweep first and be stopped, yeah. Um, should have taken longs. It's too late to take longs now, though, but I should have just taken that inversion. Can't be taking impulse stuff like that. For instance, well, it was a fine trade. It was fine. What do we got going on there? We've got like a data glitch. All right, now we retook that high. I'd like to see us go a little higher into the NWOG though. Don't know what's going on with the 1 minute chart, but it's broken. Really need the 1 minute chart to work. But based on these candlesticks, doesn't look like there'd be a 1 minute gap, so we're gonna have an unmitigated 5 minute now. Right here. Um, Unmitigated 5 minute. Might go break even into that 5 minute if we get this 30-second inversion. Watch, it's gonna close now, it's gonna flush lower. There would have been no entry. It's just gonna absolutely flush lower. What'd I say? Just flush lower to the 5 minute. It's stupid. Whatever. Would have been break even by now. Would have been break even by now. Which might get stopped if we were. "15-second longs don't look too bad. Almost want to take them right now, but I'm not going to. But it would be, this would be the trade. Not taking it, but just throwing it out there. Theoretical. We would have been stopped. Okay. I need to ignore all this like low time frame noise. I need to look at PD race. That's my biggest thing right now. I don't know why I'm not doing that, but I'm totally up for shorts and I'm totally up for longs based on where we are. Looks like now we're getting displacement higher. Currently even SMT at the highs. Mm, don't mind this 30-second inversion short. Is it light bulb though? Sort of, yeah. Not gonna take it, but 5 minute was already mitigated. I'm not gonna take it, but it'll probably end up playing out. I don't need this. I'm gonna go ahead and take this here, just for this displacement. I really think we go to midnight. Break even here. kind of hesitant with my stop loss. I'm gonna go full TP here. Keep it nice and short.
I'm getting crushed.
Yeah.
I'm getting crushed. What are you looking at?
Dad's getting crushed, quote unquote. Yeah, I want to leave this. I want to let this go. I almost want. I want to keep more of a. I want to target midnight. I want to target midnight. I don't even care. We'll take one off. We'll take one off here. Well, we're gonna go break even here. Go buy one limit. All right. Took one off there. Full take profit is now. Stop loss is to break even, and our full take profit is midnight open. I want to see midnight hit. I don't even care. I want to see midnight hit. Okay. Let's just let it go. Let's just let it go. If we retrace, that's fine. I want to see midnight hit. 4 hour. 4 hour. I see it. I can see it. This looks like a internal liquidity sweep. Not too worried about my stop loss, if I'm being honest. I mean, maybe I should be, but I'm break even. This is risk free, so. draw was really a hit, though. I mean, Midnight Open doesn't have to hit. Let's mark that as a little imbalanced tap here. I want to see us flush lower still. I don't like that we're putting in this 1 minute order block, but let's get some legs down now. I think I'm gonna get stopped. Trailer stop there. We might be done for if we put in this 1 minute order block. Yeah, it might be over. It was a good stop hunt, though, for those who just got in. Put my stop at the top of that wick now. And that's where I'm going to leave it. Okay, so we're stopped out there. Still down about $100 from the first trade. If we get 5 minute longs, then I'd be interested in those. But really, on the higher time frame now, we're kind of putting that wick. We also put in a wick higher, though. I would kind of expect us to. There's no reason to enter long right now. I'd be interested in shorts back lower if we inverse this. But that was this play had a lot of momentum now, so it's gonna, want to go higher. ES is down low right now. ES is way down there. If SMT at the lows. If we get this 1 minute, I'm taking this. Absolutely be taking this if we get this. Although if we flip and put an order block to the upside, it might go in long. I like this. Have it on. Longs are not really valid. Shorts are. ES still has a lot of liquidity to grab. I'm going to take this and go break even at the order block. So break even right away. Get our buy stops ready. Pretty ugly inversion now. No longer interested in it. Although I just really do, I like shorts a lot. Just how we're rejecting from the 5-minute. Might have to take it. See how we react off this order block though. That's the main thing. Reacting pretty strongly off of it. We still didn't close. We already tapped the order block. Might wait to avoid getting manipulated by 10 a.m. news. We have all week to trade. We don't have to take any trade today. We have all week to trade. See if we can put in this. This isn't an order block. I'm realizing I need to do more one-to-ones because every time I'm in a trade, I always want to close it. Might take this one just because where we're delivering from, this internal sweep we just got, and now we could probably displace lower if we inverse. I don't know if we ever will, but going to two contracts on this one if we do. And get in there. Hopefully that wasn't too premature. Should close, but same take profit. Same take profit down here. Gonna immediately go break even probably here. Entered a little bit early, but not too early. But that's what I want. We're delivering from a 5-minute. We have an internal SMT. SMT with this gap. And go a little lighter risk here. ES also has this low to take. You guys can't see it, but a market high right there. ES takes that, I'll also go break even prematurely, but I don't like this rejection we're getting from this order block. Stopped out there. We'll be done for the day here. We'll be done there. There's just nothing I really am interested in now. I mean, longs, like, no, not really. There's no gaps to inverse. We have the 5-minute, but it's just so high up. It's just, I'll watch it, but I still think price is just gonna go lower. I don't know. That was 10 a.m. ironically. So if we did look at our 4-hour candle, we put in that wick now. Just saying. So since we put in our wick there, and then we have we're still holding this gap. We put in that wick. I'll try one more time. One more time. There we go. Gonna go break even quickly on that. And we'll go modest. So now we'll go break even. I'm holding to midnight open. Should flush quickly now. We should see this in one candle. Go through, take this low. There we go. And I think midnight will hit. Risk-free trade now. Stop is trailed. Let's trail it. Almost wanted to close. Not gonna close. Just gonna let this play out. Stop is trailed a little bit. Let's take this here. What's the actual good target over here? Let's do we have any unfilled gaps? No, I think we leave my take profit at midnight, like I said I would. Screw it. Why don't we put our take profit at the very low instead of midnight? Because, and then we'll go break even. Because why? If we're already going to midnight, why would we stop there? You know? I don't think, like, if we just look at our 1 hour time frame, we have midnight right there, and at the low is all the way down there. Like, I don't see why we would stop there. So might as well hold the entire thing. Although something I struggle with is I need to be taking more 1-to-1s because I'm always up on 1-to-1s, and then they reverse and stop me out at break even. Whereas if I would have just take profit on all of them, think about all the accounts I would have passed, you know. But let's go true break even and not anything short of that. So now I'm just looking at displacement back down. ES looks good, as you guys can see. ES has a lot of draws lower. There's some LR over here, and look, right there. So this works. What I don't want is some. Probably what we'll do is we'll probably stop out this high, and then we'll flush lower, possibly. We'll trail our stop here instead. Alright, so we're going to trail our stop to there. That looks like a beautiful 30-second inversion, unfortunately, to stop me out. Yeah, that's gonna cook me. Unless I put my stop back to where it was, because I talked about there being a small sweep here. Talks about there being a small sweep there before going lower. So let's see if that's the case. It's a 1 minute order block, isn't it? There's the sweep I was talking about. It'll probably stop me out here, but I could also see it continuing down. Which, again, I keep saying it. I need to keep my trades like to a 1-to-1 because I would have already been out would have been up. But I never do that, so. This is what I would want to be the true manipulation, so I can move my stop right above that now. Then again, it should just be break even because there's no point. That's like no profit if I would keep it there, so go like that. So if this inverses this now, then I'm pretty much banked on it going to midnight open at least. And you know what? I'm going to honor what I said. I'm going to have my take profit at midnight open instead. And not the low, because again, I just need to just need to get out. Don't need to go for any crazy risk to reward like I always try to. That's all we need. So now it's a straight shot to either direction. I want to see midnight hit. If we have another SMT, internal SMT here. This is honestly what we would see. Sign of weakness. But again, this might just send longs to the moon right at this level. The inversion aligns probably right with OTE. Yeah, it does. But if we get this inversion, it's over. ES has room to move lower. Again, though, I could see myself getting stopped out here from this level. If we put in this 15-second, or if we put in this, if we get this order block, then I would say we could confidently conclude that's going lower. Not gonna get it though. It wants to give us the close, but it's not. I think it's gonna go stop me out, unfortunately, before going lower. That's alright. We keep putting in all these SMTs. Here's another one. So many internal SMTs. Wait. Yeah. don't know what's gonna happen here. But I think I'm stopped out for sure. For sure. Maybe this. There goes my stop loss. It's gonna flush lower now, of course, but yeah. So ended the day with a loss. Was up past my loss at this point. Never got out of the trade. Same over here. Was up just to get stopped at break even. It's like, dude, I gotta keep 1-to-1s, or else I'm just gonna be break even forever. Because if I had a 1-to-1, I'd be very profitable. But yeah, just brutal. I'm done trading unless we get like no interest in trading. I took my 3, learned what I could learn, and I'm done. So let's go over these real quick. We had our first was, we were looking at this 5 minute to inverse, but we knew it was going to inverse since we got in so low, and it was going so quickly. So we got in down there on technically this 5 minute inversion with our stop right above it. And once we got in, it went lower and lower to where we went break even right here at this low, which is honestly a valid place to go break even because it could reverse from there. We get, what the hell? What's going on there? We get stopped at break even. Then what do we look at from there? Well, we had this 1 minute imbalance here that we waited for displacement through. Pretty much, we took one short, lost on it, stopped out, and this is where this is important. This is our 10 a.m. wick. So our 10 a.m. wick came out, and that's when we're like, okay, we put in our top wick on the 4-hour candle. So it's like, okay, we can look for shorts now. So as soon as we get this close down here, we enter. And as you can see, it ran there, and we should have closed down here for a 1-to-1, or a 1-to-1, like a 1-to-1.5 right here. But we didn't do that because we never do that, and now we just got stopped at break even again. So my account right here is down 300 from where we started. I do think we're going to go lower now, all the way to those objectives. But it's just like, come on, man, It's like, it's difficult. I don't know why this is impulsive, but I'm going to get in here, go one more. And then if I lose this, then it's just my sign to stop and just get off. Because I can quickly, I've done this so much where I can quickly lose and lose. But I like where we manipulated. And I like our draws and all this LR below. So this is going to be it for me. This is going to be it for me right here. But again, like, this is not something I should be taking. Shame me for taking this trade. break-even point there. We're gonna already move this down, but anyways, what I was saying, our 10 a.m. manipulation comes out, we get our displacement off of that, like, okay, we're ready to enter. Price went all the way almost to our target, we didn't get out, and then we paid the price for that. And I'll probably pay the price for this trade, this dumbass trade as well. But yeah, those were the two trades, and now we're in our third, which is just stupid. There's no point in entering this. I liked where we manipulated from, but there's just no point. You know, like, there's just no point. That's going to be an unnecessary loss that we didn't need to take. Forever keeping me from profitable, because this is my fourth trade, which I want to limit to, usually two, maybe three, but four, no. But I don't hate this trade. This trade's really fine. It's just I've already taken my trades. That's the issue here. But besides that, this trade's fine. It's okay. So I'd give it a B+. It's not too bad. We're stuck in a range right now. Stuck in a range. I would be confident though if we put in this order block. Would be confident. Right, break-even point is close. Let's get a good close there, good. We can come up to the order block, but I don't want it going past it. Break-even point's going to be the same here. Break-even hit. Stop is now at break-even. Risk-free trade. Because why am I break-even now? Because we could easily reject from this 30-second, which we have been rejecting from for the last, like, 15 minutes. So want to see that 1 minute get rejected, and us to just go lower fast now if we're really going to. Like really fast. I'm talking close through this instantly, be way down here, and then go to take profit. But if we get stopped out, it's no big deal, since our stop is at break even. Should be fast. It should be one of those candles where it's like a instant tick, whatever. That's what it should be here. I think it's gonna instantly take this low right here, just based on how we're rejecting from this 1 minute bounce, and then should be really quick to the take profit. Either that or I get stopped. Either one I'm fine with. I would have liked for it to already happen, but that just gives us a chance to put in another order block, which is now this right here. So it could be double order block. Meaning our next one would be propulsion block, and we move really quickly. I just want to see this thing close. This has been choppy for way too long. I need this to close. I'm doing, again, what I said I didn't want to do, and that's put my take profit further than I should. But logic being, like, we're at that low. Like, all right, we put in the 1 minute order block, meaning the next down close candle that returns, or up close candle that returns this order block, is our propulsion block, and we should move really quickly based on what ICT says. But let's see if we can get that. Should move quickly here. Should move quickly, almost instantaneously, to both these lows. In a minute, any minute now. And we're stopped there at break even. So I'm okay with that break even loss. Really surprised we didn't go to those lows, actually. Like, really surprised. Very surprised. But we have LR above. We do have LR above. But I kind of need to be done. Another crazy stop hunt. You know, I want this. I really want this. I really want this. break even there. I really want this. I just do. I want this. It would drive me insane to not catch this. Which, I mean, that's a problem. I'll admit. But, like, stop, break even. Ready. This is insane. Look at this chart. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts for the same low. Managing risk really well. We're going break even on each one. But that is just crazy to look at. It's ridiculous. Like that is, I've never seen something look like this before. We're already break even, so we don't have to move anything there. But I would just be so happy if we finally get this low. Oh my goodness. Every single one of these trades has been break even. Literally every single one. But it's been really clean as far as like mechanically. It's just need to move, dude. Getting nothing here. Midnight is so close. You know, I'm closing the trade here at this low. I'm fine with that low. That's fine. We'll see if midnight hits. Probably hit right now. Just hit. So there we go. I mean, that actually just kind of killed my mood that I spent all that time waiting for that low and I closed early. But that is probably the craziest chart I've seen in a while as far as trades. But yeah, this was a really good day. 3 break evens. Well, this one was a scale. This one was scale half. This one was a break even. This one was a break even, and then this one was a take profit. So kind of the most ridiculous chart I've seen in a while. But I'll do a breakdown on this on Instagram, and I'll probably make another YouTube video later. But good day today. Happy.